In this video, I'm going to show you 3 of the best fruits that you can grow right at home in your own backyard. Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 of the best fruits that you can grow right at home in your own backyard. These are all really easy to grow and don't require a lot of maintenance, so anyone can do it. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. 3. Grapes. Grapes are a type of fruit that can be used in a variety of ways. They can be eaten fresh, made into juice or wine, or dried and used as raisins. Grapes are a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamins C and K, and they also contain antioxidants. Growing grapes at home can be a rewarding experience, and it is relatively easy to do. Grapevines are hardy plants that can tolerate a wide range of growing conditions. They can be planted in the ground or in containers, and they do not require a lot of maintenance. With a little care, grapevines will produce an abundance of fruit that can be enjoyed in many different ways. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are a delicious and nutritious fruit that can be enjoyed fresh, frozen, or in a variety of baked goods. What's more, they are relatively easy to grow at home, making them a great option for anyone who enjoys gardening. Blueberries require well-drained, acidic soil and full sun for best results. Once established, they will produce fruit for several years with minimal care. In the spring, prune away any dead or diseased branches and fertilize with an acidic fertilizer. Water regularly during the growing season, especially during periods of drought. When the berries are ripe, they will be a deep blue color and will come off the stem easily. Enjoy your homegrown blueberries fresh or freeze them for later use. 1. Strawberries. Few things are as delicious as a ripe strawberry picked fresh from the vine. Sweet and tangy, with a bright red color that is impossible to resist, strawberries are one of the most popular fruits in the world. And best of all, they are one of the easiest fruits to grow at home. Whether you have a small garden plot or just a few pots on your balcony, strawberries can thrive with just a little bit of care. Unlike many other fruits, strawberries actually prefer to grow in cooler climates, making them ideal for growers in northern regions. And with a little ingenuity, you can even enjoy strawberries in the middle of winter. So if you're looking for a delicious and easy-to-grow fruit to add to your home garden, strawberries are the perfect choice. So this was all about the video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.